Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2026 Lexus RX500h. The 2026 Lexus RX500h is a luxury hybrid SUV that combines comfort, advanced technology, and eco-friendly performance. It's an ideal choice for drivers who want style, power, and sustainability. Exterior: stylish and aerodynamic. Grille: bold spindle grille with 3D mesh and chrome accents. Lights: slim LED headlights with adaptive high beams and unique daytime lights. Design: sculpted body with a rear spoiler for efficiency and style. Wheels: 21-inch two-tone alloy wheels. Colors: new shades like deep garnet red and glacier white pearl. Interior: luxurious and high-tech. Seating: semi-aniline leather seats with heating, ventilation, and 14-way adjustments. Dashboard: simple design featuring a large 14-inch touchscreen. Infotainment: Lexus interface with voice control, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Audio: 21-speaker Mark Levinson surround sound system. Lighting: customizable ambient lighting with 64 color options. Performance: hybrid power and efficiency. Engine: 2.4L turbocharged engine paired with an electric motor, delivering 366 horsepower and 406 lb-ft of torque. Transmission: smooth ECVT with direct shift. AWD: direct 4 all-wheel drive system for better handling. Fuel economy: up to 36 miles per gallon combined, offering great efficiency with strong performance. Technology and safety. Safety features: pre-collision system with pedestrian and cyclist detection, lane tracing assist and road sign recognition, proactive driving assist for improved awareness. Advanced parking: automated parking with 360-degree cameras. Connectivity: built-in Wi-Fi, software updates, and a digital key. Why pick the RX500h? Eco-friendly luxury combines low emissions with premium comfort. High-tech features: top-tier safety and infotainment systems, comfort and elegance. Perfect for both drivers and passengers. Efficient performance: great fuel economy without sacrificing power. Pricing and release: starting price around $62,000. Release date early 2026. Conclusion: the 2026 Lexus RX500h is a luxurious, eco-conscious hybrid SUV designed for an exceptional driving experience. Whether in the city or on long trips, it delivers performance, style, and comfort in one impressive package. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.